Hi. I'm sure you've heard a lot of times a saying that says, this is a man's world. My father said it. My grandfather said it. So I believed it. I believed this was a man's world. Is it? There's an old book that I strongly believe in that says that man was created first. And then they saw man was lonely and they created women. They took one of our ribs and out of our ribs came women. You see, what that story didn't tell us was only once women were going to come out of man. For the rest of times, man and women are coming out of women. If we scroll to LinkedIn, more and more we notice that 70 to 80% of the posts, even the comments, come from women. So I was wondering, what is their secret? What is it that they do that 70 to 80% of the successful people on LinkedIn are women? That's when I decided to call my friend here, SUPERGIRL, to help me infiltrate that world, the women's success world. For the next half a dozen episodes, we're going to tell you the story how we infiltrated that world and how we took some of those secrets as men to use them and succeed. I can tell you some of those secrets now is that we all have two hemispheres, but women have connections, a lot of connections between both hemispheres. So they work on facts and on sentiment, which is a big, big advantage over men. Think about this now. If it's a man's world, wouldn't we be paying more attention to women than to men? In the next few episodes, we're going to show you through our comic books, which are going to be posted, by the way, the story how we infiltrated the success story and we took all their secrets out to use as men. We're going to be helped by a lot of agents, some of them undercover, some of them are not. So pay attention. The comic book is going to be appearing every day. Just make sure you check it out. And there's the secrets of women's success. In our next episodes, we're going to introduce you to Supermale. Supermale is going to come and release that inner superhero you have in you. He's going to teach us how to do that once we take away those secrets from women. So stay tuned, stay safe, and bye-bye. Ciao.